Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers. I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the trend dragon EA V13.0 MT5 on my account for months. And zounds, it scorched my trades with plus 88.62% gains with the panache of a parodic fire-breathing, worm-devouring trends. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the trend EA that turns market drifts into draconic treasure. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this trend dragon. EA V13.0 MT5, slinger of sizzles. Ah, the zip folder disrobes with draconic decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX5 file, installation instructions PDF, and readme text in seconds. I ferried the EX5 to MT5's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the trend dragon EAV 13.0 MT5 to multi-pair charts like XAUUSD on M5, invoked the defaults, and it commenced its trend-hunting pirouette forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience, and peruse MyFXBook as one might. A scandal sheet of scorched triumphs, and there, the trend dragon, EAV 13.0 MT5, parades its plus 88.62% absolute gain escapade, ballooning deposits into $1,745.04 balance with solid profits amid modest withdrawals. Daily at 2.29%, monthly 88.62% showcasing steady fire-breathing growth. Yet the equity curve at 100% of balance, around $1,815.94, bemuses manual traders' flatlines with a bold ascent, spiking sharply while keeping drawdowns at a fiery but contained 19.49% absolute, thanks to its trend-riding mastery. Profitability glows bright with longs winning 53% and shorts a scorching 71%, pips totaling 6,806 overall. Average wins a plump 472.60 pips, or $28.70. Losses reined in at negative 571.83 pips, or negative $27.39 by the trend dragon EAV 13.0 MT5's backtest-friendly logic. No martingale madness mentioned, just pure trend filters that tame volatility on pairs like gold and majors. Get this. Net profit $853.20 with interest. That's the edge that compounds with draconic speed without reckless overtrading. Drawdown hits 19.49%. Yet equity held with resilient scales. Risk of ruin reduced to ridicule. Profit factor, a robust 1.52 more than redeemed skirmishes. For every dollar risked, you're reaping reliable returns. Commission zero in the stats, effortlessly eclipsed by the high expectancy of 46.3 pips or $5.80 per trade. Hold times average 14 minutes, perfect for quick trend captures. Advanced tabs reveal solid sharp at 0.11. And positive Z-score proving consistency. Forecast projects strong non-compounding growth to $17,901 over 10 years from $1,815.94 starting equity. No fanciful fables, just projected riches. Monthly analytics show a dominant December 2025 bar at $853.20 profit. It's not merely surviving noise, it's soaring through it, granting me leisure to relish wins instead of chart vigil. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part. Quick Tashaidawin fired the trend dragon EAV 13.0 MT5 with last month's high-quality tick data on XAUUSD M5 and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $1,165.28. Gross profits $4,722.38, outpacing gross losses. $3,157.10 for that positive edge. Total trades around 601 balanced with profit trades at 385 with 85.81% winners. Win rate sturdy on shorts at 87.12% and longs at 84.71% overall. Average trade plus $2.60 with max drawdown tame at 18.24% relative. Swift trend entries, no wild swings, perfect for live confidence. So wrapping this up, if the trend dragon EAV 13.0 MT5 has you as pumped as it has me after months of hands-on trend writing, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now with full details in the description below, including the instant download link for the manual, and to stay in the loop on updates and performance tweaks and more insider tips. Just join our Telegram group where real traders chat Trend Dragon EAV 13.0 MT5 strategies. The link's right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.